Morning everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going out because it's our day off. So looks house with me, our pretty driver as always, and our pretty Lin there, Dai. We're going out sa wakas. We are all together going out for today. So we need to wait with the other. We need to pick her up. The other beautiful lady. The name is Cherry Berry. So see you later.
This one, I've got black of this.
Okay. Hello. So this is the group.
So wakas finally.
Nakasama rin kita.
Yeah.
So ang 60-60 naman nila. Promise.
Ay, si Cherry kahit ano suot niyan. Talagang
You know what? I have a challenge for us.
What?
We need to speak English until we're gonna get there.
Oh,
Okay? No Tagalog at all. So our time starts now.
I don't mind.
Okay, you don't mind, but someone else here will mind.
You?
Our time start now.
That's what you get when you love cooking.
So English speaking tayo today. Oh, I got
China.
oh my God! One point. One for me. One for me. 1 point for me. So
Oh, is that with the points?
yes.
How many points?
It depends.
It depends. We have points. 10.
Yeah, 10.
Okay.
$1. Wow, so expensive. What? 10 cents, maybe 10 cents. I already had 10 cents.
I
Okay.
hate when you put sunscreen on your face. It's sting in your eyes.
Oh, yes,
Oh, really?
I know, it sting my eyes.
Yeah.
Wow.
Especially when you're sweating. When you
Yeah.
sweat.
See,
Make me cry.
Oh no! Don't cry for me, Argentina. So, no one speaks Tagalog.
Do you see the note on the
On our way to Shield Harbor.
on the kitchen? When I was working, there is a note.
Oh
there.
yeah, the memo.
Yeah, the memo.
Yes, I remember that. We're in the video.
We're not in the video. What are we?
No, it's on the video. We can.
Oh, okay, hang on.
Background the video. You can hear.
Are we on the video?
Yeah, no.
No, Jin's doing the video now.
So we're here, guys. Hello.
Ladies, when we are not
all
working.
ladies.
Toilet
Yes,
first.
always.
Because we're busty.
Finally,
So,
join us.
So, finally, nakasama si Inday Bariday. We're gonna buy some fish later. Fish shopping time.
I'm going to
Toilet first.
the ritual.
Yeah, I know.
There's a face areas. And we're going to the toilet as usual. Hello. Toilet na tayo. I will. I'll just do the video first, okay? We're having a morning tea, guys. A morning tea sila. So, this is lang coffee. Kappa. Morning tea. Wala kayong order nila. Oh, there's
Want the muffin
muffin,
too?
$8 no. I think cappuccino only day. Can I pay you cash later?
Yeah.
Can I just have a ride?
Yeah. You want only cappuccino?
Yes, please. A small one, please. With 1 sugar, please, huh? Banana. How much the price?
You like the scone?
No, I'm okay.
Potato.
I ate a big breakfast. Bakas. Kaya don't feel like eating. Just a coffee, huh? Marilyn's ordering. Add her. Cup of tea. How about this? Cherry is still coming. So it's still quiet, no? Still quiet. Thank you.
That's not discount.
No, maybe that's mine. Oh, maybe
mine.
that's
Oh, yeah.
Pag sure mo,
No wonder why the
you need to be
photo is together.
sure.
I'll get you.
Thank you. TikToker girl. We're gonna do TikTok later, okay? Get the order. So it's not that busy. What time is it? It's 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, then still. La. No, I'm just busy with doing that.
You want to pick me up, man?
Come on,
So while we're eating, guys, we're talking about our lives. So where's... Hello? So you're in the Mega Mall? Is it Mega Mall? It's
Like SM
It is the Mega Mall. But we need to drive mga 1 hour, no? 1 hour para makapunta kami dito kasi wala kaming malaking mall sa aming lugar. So, let's drink, eat, and eat tea. Guys, tapos na kaming nag-morning tea. Na mainit, guys. So, kailangan naming itapon yung sariling mga basura namin kasi basura mo, itapon mo. Hindi kaya sa atin, no? Na tayo-tayo lang ang gagawa ng tapon ng basura.
I love it.
I love it. No more trial. So let's do.
Show me
Thank you.
when my lipstick is still there.
Still there. Oh, your rubbish. You check our rubbish. Don't leave your rubbish there. Allah. So you make this guys.
That's yours? I cannot. Oh my god.
Oh, see it. She's doing the cleaning, guys. In the group, there's someone is.
In the
So I'm
the mess one. This one. The vlogger.
It's not finished, but I need to drink it because I pee.
It's alright. That is $8 finish.
You just make it sure you didn't. You're gonna fall over and mga basa-basa yan. Diba? Kaway-kaway naman dyan sa mahilig. Ngayon lang nakapunta nag-shopping. So
Big
already,
shopping mall.
yeah, namimiss mo yung MOA, no? Mall of Asia, SM.
SM Mega Mall.
So dito lang muna tayo. No. So we're going now. Si Manang Marilyn. So ako, guys, ano lang ako dito. Video lang sila shopping.
Oh.
No.
Me looking.
Shopping. Us is for your eyes only, guys.
Me looking.
Them, they are the one who do the shopping, real shopping.
I just looking.
Because at the moment, my wallet is really close. I lost the key, so hindi pwede. Let's go to the Target. Next Target. Let's go to the next Target. The inside. Huh?
Basket.
Morning. So ready for the Christmas shopping? Daming sale.
Ready to burn out your card?
Yeah. Shop until you drop. And that one is nice, oh. $30. Where are you going?
$49.
Oh, mag-big trolley siya. Oh my God. Big trolley. Oh, that one is nice.
This kind of really
Too big.
very long. No, you they can.
Ah.
Yeah, they can alter.
Okay, we'll wait for you here. Buka siya ng trolley, guys. Ang dami niyang bilhin. Day! So, yun, guys. Wala, okay pala ang fit. Busy picture taking, guys. So while they're busy picture taking, I'll busy my viewing. So how cool is that? So, let's go. Tapos na kami sa Target. So, let's going to the next shop. So, let's go. We're busy guys. Maraming Pilipino dyan. So, yan na. Let's go shopping. Oh. Let's go shopping. So, mga kapwa Pilipino guys. Shopping tayo.
Ano po nga ito?
While waiting guys, so upo. We'll sit here, okay? Because I'm very tired. I didn't find waiting for Len. So we're here. Where are we now? We're here in
City Beach.
huh?
City Beach.
City Beach.
Yeah.
Ah, City Beach. Not
Stop shop.
it's not beach. Beach na lang.
Stop shop.
Busy. Look at their shopping guys. Big trolley. Dami naman yun. So, on model guys. That's a model. 2020 model. Sana all sexy. Okay, where are you Marilyn? Bakit may inaubos yung paninda nila? Halika na. I guess kami guys. So, nagbayad sila. Nag-shopping sila. So, ano nabili mo, Day? Shopping sila. Ng bonggang-bongga. So, tayo. Wala eh. Ikot-ikot lang. No? So, we're here in Cotonou, guys. So, we're gonna dance TikTok. We're gonna find some sale now. So, ako taga-video lang. Sila taga-shopping. We're in Cotonou. They're looking for a sale.
Just always look the price.
That's me too. Halo, Day. Ano na kayo napili, Day? Saya lang si ate. So, ano? Pili. Kayo. Selfie. So, tapos na tayo, no? My best and last Day. Oh, so how much? For this 25? Ah, for free. Priceless? $12. Buy one, take one? No? Oh, it's only $10. So how much is that in there? So that's inside guys, best and last. Christmas wish. You gonna wish on the Christmas? Bless ya. So it's time to pictorials guys. So mag-pictorial muna tayo. Ganyan naman talaga ang buhay.
No. Oh, selfie all together. Together later. We selfie.
Later. So nag-aaway-away na sila guys kasi selfie or not, okay? Guys, magpa-picture kami ni Santa Claus guys. Nandun si Santa Claus. Hello. Magpa-picture kami. Hi. Oh, hello Mr. Santa Claus. Very excited guys. Magpa-picture ni Santa Claus.
Yes.
Mga batang katang-isip, kami. So,
The quadruplet.
hello Master Santa
Yep, you're right. The
Claus.
quadro. Yeah, because you always use the term amigos. No, the quadro now.
So, nagpa-book na si Madam. So, let's pay. So, natapos na kami nag-picture ni Santa Claus.
The quadruplets.
So, pagbayad na tayo. Thank you, Mr. Santa Claus. Hindi kami pwedeng umupo sa slab ni Santa Claus na yun sa
Who's
social
paying?
distancing me.
No, later when we sit down in the after we pack first, and then when we sit down when we have lunch, I'm gonna get that.
Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town.
Not to town.
To the mall. You better watch out. You better not pound. You better not pound. I'm telling you why. Ipa-develop na namin yun guys. Yung picture namin guys. Saan na yun?
It's right there.
Di-develop na. Tell me how you feel. Singing your oh, first time. Santa Claus.
I know. True that. I've been
Since I've been here for years, 6 years. But this is the first time that I had a picture with Santa Claus.
I have to take my daughter here.
Yeah, I'm gonna check my husband.
Yeah, you and your husband.
But we can't sit Santa Claus.
No. That's why we are distancing.
There's a lot of exchanges. So, si Madam ang nagbayad guys. Santa will be back at 6:05.
We'll be back at what?
6 o'clock and 5.
1:30.
Ah, 1:30? 1:30 pala. 1:30. So that's Mr. Santa Claus. Thank you.
Santa will be back at
We'll be back at 1:30. I thought 6 o'clock. Pero Christmas. Busy sila. Lah, parang earthquake.
Hindi na makita yung popo.
Ako nga rin din. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Diba? La 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 la. Natatanggal na. Okay. May aalog-alog yan. I'm gonna try it on. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. What fun it is. Muna guys, so upo muna tayo kasi na pagod na. So yan, nag-Santa Claus is coming to
Chin up.
Uy!
The good luck with you, eh?
So, we're having lunch, guys. So, kinuha namin yung tipid meal lang. So, yung 11:40 para hindi ka naman kailangan mag-travel na at saka kakain ng gastos ng malaking kain lang. Di ba, Day?
Agree? Totoo yan.
Pipili na namin yung sale. Kasi, pag-uwi namin sa bahay, kain namin yung maraming rice.
Kaya naman.
Rice. Rice is life. Isn't it, Day?
Yes.
Rice is life.
Sakto.
So hot. The chili.
And
You
the
almost put it
chili.
on the yum trap.
Thank you. So, chili is life. So, kahit saan, dala namin to. Kasi, pampagana.
Hindi pwede ano yan.
Makalimutan. Ito ang pinaka-importante gamit.
Appetite.
Appetizer. Kahit wala ito, maganan pa rin kumain. Guys, chili with
Donut.
with a donut. So, chili with donut.
You went to Porto, I thought you went to sushi.
No.
So, chili with donut, guys, very yummy. Promise.
This one too.
What's that? Wonton?
Yeah, noodles.
That's a dog soup. Sorry, joke. And that's my shop there. Philippine Asian
And
shop.
market.
And market. So, favorite shop ko yan dyan. This one is good bowls. We're finished our lunch, guys. So after, makaikot-ikot na naman tayo. paday, ikot day. Kasi busog na busog kami kahit nakakapagod.
Popular actor in Philippines.
Hello guys, I have your lipstick. So I would like to meet with you one day here in Australia. Okay? See you soon.
Bye.
Bye, ganda. After lunch guys, so pumasok na naman sila madam sa Forever New. Yun. So pili-pili lang tayo sa labas lang tayo. So yun ang post doon. Ito guys, tinuwi na kami. So bili-bili lang sila ng pang decoration sa kanilang Christmas party. Hello self, huh? It's pretty. Hello. La Visa. No, I did already mind the Santa Claus before. We're here in La Visa. Bye. Bili-bili na kayo. Mura-mura guys. After sa gala-gala, we're going home now. So, look at the shopping trolley. Grabe si madam. So, punong-puno siya. Grabe. Thank you. So, bye. We're going home. Where's Madam Marilyn? Ayaw pa yata niyang uwi. She doesn't wanna go home yet. Ayaw pa niyang umuwi guys. So, thank you for watching guys. God bless. And Priceline Pharmacy guys. So, we're gonna find something for the gift. So, Baker's Delight. So, Marilyn is looking for gifts. So, and someone is sitting. Shill Harbor coming. Busy. Shill Harbor local fresh coming soon. Okay. So, going home now guys. Thank you for today. And we're in the car, so English. No more.
Not?
Tagalog. I know 10 cents per word. Oh God.
Only 10 cents.
Only 10 cents.
Can't buy the headband.
No, $1.50. No, there's $3.50.
You working?
Morning.
Oh. But next week I'm working. I'm off Monday, Tuesday. So yeah, be good.
Why did you cry, Marilyn?
Huh?
Marilyn is crying.
Ah.
I'll do that. What do you call this?
Because she didn't get the $180 dress.
It was funny when Marilyn said, "Oh, Jill, it's 69," and then she make sure there's no one.
This is really expensive.
Maybe they erase the one.
Erase the word.
Delete the one, huh?
Oh, you make it sure. Otherwise, when you go to the counter, oh no, it's very expensive.
Oh no, I thought it was.
Oh dear, home time. It's a bit tired, but
And
having
tomorrow work,
fun.
you have off tomorrow and Cherry, lucky you.
Mm.
You off both?